To get to your battery, start by taking the side panel off. Here's how to replace the battery in your Generac. First, remove the front cover. Shut the circuit breaker off. Next, remove the fuse. Take the front cover off.
Easy to get at it. Half-inch socket.
Remove the battery terminals. Put the new battery in and use anti-corrosive gel on the terminals and the cables. That's this stuff. Tighten up the terminal ends, but don't over torque them. Next, you'll put your fuse back in and then turn the circuit breaker back on. Now you can do a manual testing to cycle it through and turn the motor on. And then, of course, you can reverse everything and put the panels back on and store your generator away for the next storm. I'm going to put anything related to this in the affiliate links to the description. Thanks for watching.